So guys, I finally bought this. I'm gonna bill it. Take it. Oi, taste seasoned mangoes. Abhi sale. Oh guys, I didn't show you my haircut. I took this haircut this Saturday. So guys, we are finally over here. Mercado. अरे भाई उधर हेलमेट रखा है नहीं लेके जाएगा ना guys check this out look like I'm not maintain let's get this done. So hi guys, this is the next day. So right now you can look at my face. It's like I'm like totally ungroomed. So right now I'm going to go and groom myself up, get this beard and hair in shape, which is left a little bit. So yes, you see the transition after this. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. It's a new day, it's a new vlog, and today the vlog is starting from the morning. It's right now 9:30 in the morning. It's 9th April 2025. So tomorrow is a big day for me. That also I'll tell you in the video. So let's start the day. Right now I'm going Margaon because I need to do confession because mom was telling go and do confession. So I'll be going there first and then I'll keep you updated the whole day because today's day is going to be very hectic, full packed. So wherever I'm going, I will show you guys also. See you. That's this one, Poppy brother. So yeah, this is the bike. So now I'm heading to Margaon. So once I reach Margaon, I'll keep you updated. Let's go, baby. This is my always helpful bike. So guys, I've reached. So I'd ask them now whether they're doing confession or not. It's here. Okay guys, quick update. I met some people over here. They were telling me that they went to Carmelite and they have come for confession. So I'll be also going there only. Yeah, I'm in Margaon right now. So guys, I'm at Carmelite right now. Okay, let's go for confession. So guys, this is a Carmelite monastery. So I just got done my confession. So I'm going to pray. This is a Carmelite monastery, guys. So guys, I just finished with the confession, so I'm leaving right now. So catch you up later. Here it is. The priest. Yeah. So guys, I went to the church and I did my confession also. Everything is done from there. So now it's right now 11. So I'm come at work right now. So if I'm free right now, I'll go to Cafe maybe. Let's see, I'll keep you updated. And plus I need to go to buy also something for me. And then there's one more thing, I have to go and meet another vlogger. You must have heard about this AJ Vlogs Goa. So she's one of my friends from school times. So she also has a YouTube channel. She also shows around in Goa what is going on. So they have this brand, some Sospache. So I had ordered some 2 t-shirts from her. So I have to go and collect that also. She and her fiance, they both take videos for YouTube on their channel. I'll mention it, the link to their channel. So do check it out also. So I have to go her place also. So I'm thinking like first I'll go to Cafe and then I'll go to buy something, or should I go at her place? So let's see. I'll decide and I'll tell you. Yeah, so stay tuned. Guys, fuel tank, fuel. We're going to refill the fuel right now, and then after that we'll go to studio. So guys, we are finally over here, Mercado. So I'm gonna enter now. I go and see some shirts or pants. अरे भाई उधर हेलमेट रखा है, नहीं लेके जाएगा ना? हेलमेट इज केप्ट आउट. हाँ वो एक्टिवा इधर ही रखा है, पीछे उसको बांध के रखा. So yes guys, we are here. Guys, shopping is going on full power. I'm seeing around now. I like some brands. Normally I don't shop anywhere. Mine is normally online or ITEL. Someone to get me from out and all. So what to do now? Emergency, I need it. So tomorrow I need to wear it also. So I'll purchase from here itself. Okay guys, I've selected some clothes for me. So these are they. So I'll try it and I'll show you guys. Okay, I wore this. This is one outfit. This is the pant. And that's me. How it looks, I don't know. Okay guys, it's the same outfit. I just tucked it in. I like this. Let's see. Guys, this is too tight. I told him to get one size bigger, so let's see. Okay, this is one size big, 2XL. Okay, I like this. Cool. You also guys comment down and let me know which looks good. That's how it's looking. Guys, you also have to comment and let me down which one looks good. This I'm going to wear, one of these I'm going to wear tomorrow. This is one more outfit, guys. This is another outfit, but sorry guys, there's a lot of gap here, so I bought another one, big size. So I'll wear this and I'll show you. This is another one. I'll decide from this which one to pick it up, and then I will show you tomorrow. Anyways, you're going to see. I need to really reduce all this. Clothes are not fitting me well because of this fat. Let's work on it very soon. My last outfit. The last jeans. This is the loose ones. Oh guys, I didn't show you my haircut. I took this haircut this Saturday. Mullet haircut. So guys, I finally bought this. I'm going to bill it. So guys, the shopping is done here. So yeah, my shopping is done for tomorrow. I've done a lot of shopping. Packed. So yeah, I'll show you here before leaving. I just came specially to do the shopping only. That's nothing else. A lot of stores here, US Polo and all, Jockey and all, Flying Machine. I just came. Levi's also is there. I came, did my fast shopping so that I don't want to waste more time. Let's see now. Going home. Back here. Oh God, shopping is done here. I'll give it here. One side it's very hot. It's almost 1 o'clock right now. So right now I might be going home directly, and then I'll catch you up, guys. So guys, I'm in Harlem right now. So I've taken a quick stop for a juice break over here. So we're having juice now. So guys, my watermelon juice is here. So guys, I'm at home. I had my lunch and it's 3 o'clock right now. So there is this mango. Time for some mango. Yeah, this is grown in a compound in our place. Our mango that is from our house. So let's eat it. Oh my god, it's good. And I'm actually having mango after a very long time. I think after years. I stopped eating mangoes and all sweets. I'll enjoy this. If you guys also get it anywhere in Margao and all, please do buy it. It's season time for mangoes. Sorry for the guys who are watching from out London. Hello near and dear ones to parcel you from Goa. See you. Let me enjoy. Take it. Oi. Taste season mangoes. Abhi sale. I put it for his mouth. He had little cheese. How's it? I think he found it too sweet. Eat Ray. Taste. Little. I didn't chase him. I told you to eat mangoes. Okay, I threw it out. He tasted it was too sweet for him. So guys, after the lunch, I came out directly. I went for work now. It's evening around at 8 o'clock. So I just wanted to do some more shopping. My shopping was not over. Come now. This side. So I will check. If I like something, I'll pick it up. So guys, I'm in west side. So let me check out. My shoe section is there.